This 2022 Heartland Torque 350TQ is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, microwave, LP detector, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, water heater, awning, skylight, stovetop burner, external shower, slide-out, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Heartland Torque 350TQ is 13,300 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.